Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani, R.A. and the Power of Truth. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani, R.A., was a very truthful child from a young age. When he decided to go to Baghdad for education, his mother prepared him for the journey. Before he left, his mother sewed 40 gold coins inside his clothes. Then she gave him very important advice. She said, "My son, always speak the truth, no matter what happens." Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani Radu promised her, "Mother, I will never lie." During the journey, robbers attacked the caravan and started looting people. One robber came to Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani, R.A., and asked, "Do you have anything with you?" He calmly replied, "Yes, I have 40 gold coins sewn inside my clothes." The robber laughed and thought the child was joking, so he left him. Later, when the robber leader heard this, he ordered his men to check. They searched his clothes and found the 40 gold coins. The leader was shocked and asked, "Why did you tell the truth? You could have saved yourself." Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani, R.A., replied, "My mother took a promise from me that I would never lie." These words touched the leader's heart. Tears came to his eyes and he said, "You did not break your mother's promise, and we have broken Allah's commands." That moment changed everything. The robbers repented, returned the stolen goods, and left their sins. All of this happened because of one child's truthfulness. Moral of the story: truthfulness is a sign of faith. A mother's advice can change a life. One honest person can change many hearts.